I'm going to show you how you can back up and restore Steam game files. So the first thing we want to do is open up Steam, head on over to your library and identify the game that you want to back up. This process works for any Steam game, but for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this game because it's quite small. So all we need to do is right click on our preferred game, select manage, and then click backup game file. From here, you will be able to choose a directory to create the backup. So click browse. And for me, I'm just going to put it on my D drive. So I'll select that and then click create backup. Within seconds, the backup is now complete. So to restore a backup, all we need to do is go to the top left and click Steam and then just select restore game backup. And then from here, we can click browse. And then for me, I will go to my D drive and then we can see Docky Docky just here. So we click that, then click select folder and then just press restore backup. And that's all there is to it.